AI is disruptive. I just can't afford it to disrupt my business. Like that's the thing that sticks with me. Like, how do you know when the right time is?
Yeah, and it's funny, Matt. I thought, a year ago when we started seeing some of these tools come out, especially being previously, in-house. I mean, I had an SDR team that spent 80% of their time trying to find phone numbers online, right? And trying to find the right person and add it into our database. And so I was like, oh my gosh, like this would make somebody so much more productive. And I was surprised because as I talked to a lot of our LPs, they weren't testing anything. And I realized that a lot of it what came down to, in many cases, like you said, they're at big organizations, they have big sales teams. It's like I can't afford to put something out in my team that actually may not work the right way or may hallucinate or is just one more tool. And I'm finding that they are all now adopting AI, but most of them are starting with a tool that their team's already using and using AI inside of it because it feels a lot more comfortable. It's easier to turn that on, and then what they're finding too is that the efficiency that's created and especially the excitement from the people actually using it that it's creating the efficiency for is overcoming the kind of fear around turning will it disrupt once, and of course you could do things easily too, like let's just start with 5 people or this one use case, let's test that, make sure everyone's comfortable with that, and then we could move on to other use cases. So there's ways, just like you would test any new tool, that you can do that in a way that's less disruptive. But I think what they're finding is that, it really people, no matter what role you're in, I mean, if you're in a finance role, right, and you've had to spend your time manually doing a bunch of stuff, and now you've got AI doing that for you, so you can actually think more strategically about the business, which is what you want to do anyway. And I think that's where AI is really, this fear of will AI take over my job has now starting to be replaced with, oh, AI is actually my support person, my person that takes away all the things that I don't really want to do anyway, and gives me more time to do my job. And now I'm better at my job. I'm faster at my job. So I think we're seeing that people are getting excited about that and then wanting to continue to think about other applications of AI. So if somebody is on the call and then hasn't done that yet, I would encourage you to go ahead and find that first use case and do it, because the time is now. And as companies do that, the ones that aren't adopting it, I think, are the companies that will be left behind.